Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my vlog. Ayan guys. So for today's video, I have a new brass, okay? For swimming or for go to the beach guys. String. Ayan. So strings siya guys. So dalawa to. Pakita ko sa inyo. This is two. Ayan. So unahin muna natin itong very hot and chilly. Ayan, tanawa guys. Yan siya guys, okay? Ay, wala nitong partner guys. I bought this in in thrift store. Isa. Ayan. I bought this in the thrift store guys. So, tanawa good. It's very nice one. Ang ganda ng quality niya. This is for $1 guys. $1 only. Ayan. Made from Vietnam. So maganda ang quality niya, tanawa. Maganda ang quality niya. Very nice. Very nice and good quality. Pero guys, ito ha. Sa ukay-ukay to. So, yan. Ganito siya guys. Okay, so isusuot natin to. Mahaba yung kanyang mga ano. Ay, so guys, post ko kadali pa. Okay. So, katapos ko lang kumain. Ang tummy ko ay nakaglabas. Ganito siya guys. Susuot natin to. Very good quality. Tapos, sulit talaga. Very solid ang aking $1. It's worth it guys. Okay. So, ang pangalawa naman, okay. Ang pangalawa is this one. Ayan guys. As you can see, very nice. May cup na siya guys. Ayan, branded din siya. Dalawa sila branded guys. Made in Vietnam din silang dalawa. And then, medium. Yung isa medium and then this one also is medium guys. So, alam nyo na. Okay, so this one ay medium. Same sila ng price guys. $1. Okay, $1. Medium. And tingnan natin. Sorry sa aking tummy kay busog ako. Ay, nagkataas ko lang kumain. Ready na ba kayo guys? Isuot na. Suot ko to. Ganito siya pag wow. So guys, ganito nga ang aking aurahan. Hindi ko alam kung anong isura ko nito after this. But anyway, isusuot pa rin natin to guys. And then, maganda yun talaga yung kanyang. Ito siya, iba yung ano, kaya na siya ay mga ribbon the rate awa guys. Natin yung mga ribbon and then very good. Ganda yung kanyang pagkatahi. Maganda yung quality because this is branded nga siya guys na second hand. Okay? So ganito siya guys. Very comfy also. Maganda yung kanyang ano, may ano sa tanawa oh. May foam siya sa loob guys. There is foam sa loob para hindi lang bumakat ang ating mga ano cookies. Ano ito siya pack? Pack ganon. So ganon ang kanyang atake guys. So sobrang init guys dito. Very hot. Okay, so very hot. Ganito siya guys. Okay, suot na natin to. Let's go. Suot na natin tong dalawa guys to. Let's go! So guys, ito na nga ang kanyang una. Oh my god, una. It's a very nice one guys. Tanawa sa guys. Very nice siya. Ayan. Sorry for ano guys. It's my first time to wear. Okay, sorry, I'm laughing. Very first time ko kasi siya guys na magsuot ng ganito ganito na vlog. Okay, sorry. But anyway, ayan. Ang ganda niya guys. Okay, very comfy. Ayan po. Pakita ko dito sa likod. Ingana siya guys. Paano ba? Yes, and ganito. Okay siya guys. The quality is good. Everything is good. Love. I think it's worth it for $1. Okay? Please like and subscribe. And of course guys, comment below if which one is better. This one, like the pink and red. May mga chili siya na ano. Ayan. So, very, very good. Very good quality. Very nice also. And I think it's worth it. It's worth it, guys. So, watch me, guys. I will go to the beach, guys. Isusuot natin to. Isusuot natin to mga pang-hot mga pang-hot mama, guys, na datingan. Ganito ang kanyang atake. Okay? So, don't forget to leave a comment and a like, okay? Para so I can make more videos of this, okay? So, if nagustuhan nyo, like, and subscribe also. Thank you so much. So, let's go for another video, okay? Itingnan natin ang isa pa. Okay, so, ito na ang aking itong pangalawa, guys, is very hot. Ayan, very talaga nice. I like it so much, okay? Very nice, good quality, and hello, it's worth it, guys. It's very, very worth it. Ayan. Ganito siya sa very classy ang kanyang dating. Parang gusto ko siya idala sa swimming pool. Yeah. It's nice to go for swimming pool and wear this, guys. Ang ganda. Kalawa mo. It's very nice. Yan ang aking mga taba. So, sana nagustuhan nyo. Comment below which one is better, okay? And if it's good to me, the color, and yeah, I will read the comment, or you comment to red hat, okay? Very nice. Miss Universe. I like it. I really feel it, especially in the swimming pool, because wow. Guys, I'm ready for summer. Let's go. Let's go, babe. Let's go! Joke lang, guys. So, I like it a lot. I like it so much. Sino ka dyan? Ang ganda, no? Thank you for watching. Sending love and kisses. Mwah!